Hello, today I'll show you how to make a laser in Scratch. As you can see, if it touches any of these, then it will reflect. And if it touches it again, it will reflect again. And you can move these. So let's get started. First, delete the cat and paint a sprite. Name it Laser. Now use the circle tool and make sure there is no outlines. Then create a small circle and make it 2 by 2 and make sure it is not 1 by 1. And create a second costume named Laser Pointer. Use the box tool, make the outline a dark gray and the fill a light gray. And make it a good size and color. Now use the box tool again and then drag a smaller one and make it go to the back and put it about there. Now move it all the way until it looks like this, where this is half. Now in the code, click on here and then click pen. Now when green flag is clicked, a forever and then a set pen color to red. Now create a new block named create laser and run without screen refresh. Now erase all, create 4 new variables, X for the sprite only, and then Y for the sprite only, and then bounce for all sprites, and max bounce for all sprites. We first set X and Y to, we first put these two and then we do the sin and the cos of it. The Y is cos and the sin is X. Now we do direction. Now set bounce to 0 and pen down. Now we do repeat until, and then we do a or and a greater than. We do bounce greater than max bounce or touching edge. Now switch costume to costume 1 and then change X by X. And then if touching, create a new sprite named mirror or reflect. And then use the box tool, make it a nice gray color, and then draw this. Now in here, when green flag is clicked, show repeat 2 times, pointing in direction 90. Create a clone of myself, but before that go to random position and then duplicate this and do point in direction 0 and then hide. Now when I start as a When I start as a clone, set drag mode to draggable. Now, if you test it, as you can see, this will happen. Now, if touching reflect, and then set x to x times -1 and change bounce by 1 and change x by x. Now we duplicate this, changing this one to a y and change y, and then make sure this is a y, this is a y, this will not be a y, this is change y and change y. Now, if else equals 0, and then mod 90 direction mod 90 equals 0, then set max bounce to 1, else set max bounce to 500, then pen up, go to 0, 0, point in direction mouse pointer, and switch costume to laser pointer. Now if you test it, and also make sure it's point in direction. Now if you test it, as you can see, it creates a nice laser that will reflect. And now you have a laser in Scratch. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.